Welcome back to Supercar. Today, we're diving into a ride that promises luxury, power, and space seamlessly. The 2025 Toyota Highlander. If you're looking for an SUV that blends premium features with a spacious interior, the 2025 Highlander is here to impress. Ready to explore everything this SUV offers? Stick around because you won't want to miss these exciting details. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. We've got more thrilling content lined up, and you won't want to miss a thing. Now, let's jump into the 2025 Toyota Highlander and discover why it's becoming the go-to choice for families and adventurers alike. Exterior overview. The 2025 Toyota Highlander doesn't just look good, it commands attention. Its bold, athletic stance and newly sculpted front fascia, featuring a sleek grille design, give it a dynamic and aggressive look. The sharp LED headlights don't just illuminate the road, but add to the vehicle's modern, sophisticated vibe. What do you think about this front design? Does it give the Highlander a powerful road presence? Let us know in the comments. The Highlander's refined silhouette perfectly balances luxury and sportiness. Its clean, smooth lines give a sense of aerodynamic efficiency, while maintaining its rugged SUV appeal. The available 20-inch alloy wheels elevate the profile, offering a more dominant road presence. Do you prefer larger wheels on an SUV, or is ride comfort more important to you? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Interior and comfort step inside the 2025 Highlander, and you're greeted with luxury. Toyota's attention to detail is evident, with high-quality materials and ergonomic design focusing on passenger comfort. Soft touch surfaces and available premium leather seats give the interior an upscale feel. A highlight of the Highlander's interior is its spaciousness. With 3 rows of seating, it comfortably accommodates up to 8 passengers. Even with all seats occupied, there's ample room for everyone to stretch out. The 3rd row is especially spacious compared to other SUVs in its class, making it a great choice for larger families. The Highlander's cargo space is equally impressive. With the 3rd row folded down, you get up to 84.3 cubic feet of space. Perfect for grocery runs, road trips, or just about anything you need. Technology and infotainment. Toyota has equipped the 2025 Highlander with cutting-edge tech to ensure you stay connected and entertained. The 12.3-inch multimedia touchscreen integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. The user interface is intuitive, and the screen responds quickly to touch inputs, offering a smooth experience. Passengers in the rear seats won't feel left out, thanks to the available rear seat entertainment system, perfect for long trips. The premium JBL audio system takes your listening experience to another level, delivering crisp sound throughout the cabin. Are you a music lover? Do you think a top-tier sound system is a must-have in an SUV? Performance and power under the hood. The 2025 Highlander offers 2 powertrain options. First is the 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 265 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. It offers a blend of power and efficiency, with a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, ideal for family getaways with a trailer or boat. For the eco-conscious, Toyota offers a hybrid option. The 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain delivers 243 horsepower and impressive fuel efficiency. The hybrid Highlander is perfect for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing performance. Which engine option would you choose? The turbocharged for extra power or the hybrid for fuel efficiency? Let us know in the comments. The ride quality is smooth and controlled, whether you're driving on city streets or rough terrains. Plus, with all-wheel drive available, you're guaranteed better traction and stability in all conditions. Fuel economy. Fuel efficiency is another strong suit of the 2025 Highlander. The standard turbocharged engine offers up to 24 miles per gallon in combined city and highway driving, while the hybrid version delivers an impressive 36 miles per gallon. For a vehicle this size, that's a game changer. Do you prioritize fuel efficiency or power when choosing a vehicle? How does fuel economy factor into your decision-making? Pricing and availability. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Toyota Highlander starts at an estimated $38,000 for the base model, with higher trims pushing into the $50,000 range. This competitive pricing offers a blend of luxury, performance, and tech in the SUV market. Would this price point make the Highlander a contender for your next vehicle? Let us know your thoughts. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more in-depth reviews and exciting car news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.